Alright, let's unbox and take a look at this tripod slash selfie stick by Blitzwolf. The model is BW-BS5. I picked this particular one because this seemed to have the most versatile features compared to the other ones, and this was the newest one available. So before we unbox it, let's take a look at the box itself from all angles as usual. So here's it from the sides. The back over here, this was one of the reasons why I picked it, the 1/4 inch screw. This is the other side. As you can see, all the features. It's got wireless remote control as well, and the specifications are over here. So nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. Let's unbox it and take a look at what's inside. This is what it looks like inside the box. So here's the tripod itself. You also get this boxes and this box as well. So nothing else inside. Let's put this away. Alright, I'm gonna start with a small box first. Let's see what we got here. So a USB cable, just your standard micro USB, nothing very interesting. Some manuals. Okay. This looks like so this is a 1/4 inch mount, so you can mount your GoPro and basically anything else you want. It's your standard 1/4 inch mount. This is great. Finally, let's take a look at the tripod slash selfie stick itself. Looks nice and feels nice as well. It's a nice quality. It's not rubberized or anything, but the quality feels very good. It's very sturdy looking. So here's where you can mount your phone. It's rubberized right here. You can twist it and it snaps into place, which is good. Snaps into the position. You can adjust it here and fix it to be in place. Let me loosen this for a second. And it folds like this, which is cool. It's quite compact, and on the front we have this cool remote control. I'm gonna take a look at that in a moment, but before I do, let me actually fix this and let's open this up and let's see what this is like. So this also feels like magnetized or something, because it kind of snaps out. So this is how you place it wherever you want it. Let me see if this goes up. Yeah, so this moves, and there you go. This looks very nice actually, and it is quite sturdy as well. So one thing this model has is you can actually further extend it like this. This was one of the newer models that had this, so it can become extra sturdy. I would say this would be able to hold maybe even a DSLR in place, a medium-sized DSLR. I think it would hold it, and it's quite sturdy. So let me fold this back up. Let's take a look at this remote control thing next. I don't know exactly how am I supposed to take it out, but okay. So you just slide it out of its slot, and this is what it looks like. Looks very cool. So it's your standard Bluetooth shutter button. You just pair it with your phone, and once you press it, it should work with your camera app. So it simulates actually a volume up, which on Android is a shortcut for taking a picture or starting to record a video. So this was a stab, which I don't need. So here is what it looks like without the remote control in there. Let me actually place it back in here. And there you go. It's trying to pair now. I wonder how can I turn it off. Okay, so if you press and hold it, it's gonna turn it off. And this is how far the thing extends. I don't know if I can show it to you fully, but it extends actually quite far, and it doesn't wobble or anything. All this what are they called, connections or joints look like they're sturdy, and whatever you place here is not going to wobble much. So let me just, for an example, get a phone here, and I'll show you what a phone mounted to this looks like. This is Lumia 950 running a now extinct Windows Mobile. So it's quite a large phone. Let me place it here and show you what it looks like. So there you go, this is what it would look like. One thing to note, this right here is not notched, so it's smooth rather than notched, so there is a chance still this could slip if you put something very, very heavy. But as you can see, if I tighten it hard enough, this does not fall down, and it's actually quite sturdy there. So this is what it would look like. Personally, I didn't get this for selfie stick reasons. I got this because I wanted a quick tripod that I can take out any time I want to, and it's very easy to unfold and fold and store away, which I think this fulfills perfectly. There's also this, as I mentioned. The way this would work is you would unscrew this all the way and screw this back in. I don't think I need to show this, plus I don't have anything I can mount on this right now, but this is a handy addition, I think, because it makes this a lot more versatile. You can use not only your phone but your GoPro and other stuff as well. Overall, I'm happy with this. The quality is good. The quality of plastic is good. This feet here are rubberized. Nothing looks like here that it's going to fall apart easily, so I think this is a nice product and I will be using it. Something to note with this tripod is, as you can see, the downwards angle is not very good, as it stops right here. So if you're aiming it at something where you want to film down, you will have to turn the phone around. So you're gonna have to flip the phone around and put it the other way, because as you can see, it doesn't look down very far. So that's something to keep in mind just in case. The holder itself rotates at the root part right here. So once you unfold it, obviously you're not going to want to hold it like this, you want to hold it like that. So it rotates like this. Let me show you again. And once you rotate it, you can fix it in place like that and then control it. And once you're finished, you loosen this part and rotate it back and fold it back again, so it looks nice and compact. Thank you for watching this unboxing and a quick review of Blitzwolf BS5 tripod and a selfie stick. If you liked the video, please give it a like. I always appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next one.